Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install eviction prevention with RentRedi, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install eviction prevention with RentRedi, open your web browser and go to the RentRedi website. Log into your RentRedi account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the eviction prevention feature in the menu options. Click on Eviction Prevention to access the setup page. Review the available options and features presented on the screen. Select the specific eviction prevention tools that you wish to implement. Follow the on-screen prompts to configure your chosen options. Enter the required information, such as tenant details and rental agreements. Make sure to double-check all entered information for accuracy. After reviewing your selections, click on the Save or Submit button to finalize your setup. Once successfully saved, you will receive a confirmation message. You can now monitor and manage eviction prevention measures directly from your dashboard. Regularly check for updates or new features to ensure comprehensive eviction prevention. Make it a habit to educate your tenants about the support options available through RentRedi. Utilize the reporting tools to track your success in eviction prevention over time. Ensure you stay informed about local laws and regulations regarding eviction to enhance your strategy. With these steps completed, you now have an effective eviction prevention setup using RentRedi. You are ready to manage your rental properties with greater confidence and support for your tenants. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.